Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Welcoming all of you to this Guru Purnima special, where we have with us a wonderful Kuchipudi dancer, Karpakamji. As you know, Kuchipudi comes from a village which was dedicated to the art of storytelling. And today we have with us on Alap, Karpakamji, a wonderful Kuchipudi dancer who is dedicated to this art, and in this time is also dedicated to bringing the teaching of this art online. Karpakamji, welcome to Alap. Please share something about yourself and your Kuchipudi journey with our viewers.
Namaskaram. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. I'm very happy to be a part of this celebration, and happy Guru Purnima to everyone. Yeah, I'm Karpagam from Bangalore, Kuchipudi artist. I'm learning this art form since I was learning this art form since 7 years, when I was 7 years old. Started the journey and was associated with my guru for 30 plus years. And it is truly a beautiful journey and beautiful experiences with her. And with the blessings of her, I have started my dance school also, and I've named it as Sri Balalatika Kuchipudi Center. Kuchipudi, this dance form, a divine form, is originated from Kuchipudi. It's created by Siddhendra Yogi. This art form is a Natya Mela tradition where only the Brahmin boys were taught this art form. The boys were dressing up as a female and presenting the performances. Siddhendra Yogi has written Bama Kalapam, where three characters are there. The one character is Krishna, the other one is Satyabhama, and the transgender character, the Madhavi, where the Madhavi is like a friend to Satyabhama and also to Krishna. Here, the Jivatma is waiting to unite with Paramatma. That is the message given through this Bama Kalapam. It's a very tremendous Kalapam. Many have performed this. Now the female performers are performing. Before, the male dancers used to wear the attire, like they were dressing up like Satyabhama, and they were presenting the show with the jada. Jada is the attire. The jada is the this plate they used to wear, and it is a significance, and it shows all the navarasas, 27 nakshatras in the jada. So it is very amazing, and it was a challenge to the gurus also to perform this Satyabhama role on the stage. So after that, it has come to the solo repertoires, where you have many compositions to perform, like Ranga Puja, Shloka Abhinaya, Jatiswaram, Tarangam. All these are the solo repertoires where they perform perform on the stage. So this is basically was taught for the Brahmin boys, and slowly the changes have come. The evolution, like all the changes from the gurus, they thought this would be better, and we can reach the audience. The changes had been taken. So I'm very happy that even I am a part of this art form, and it's truly blessed to learn this art form. It's more about the Mukaja Abhinaya. Footwork is very brisk and crisp, where in the Tarangam part, you can see the dancer standing on the brass plate with the brass koda, the chambu we say. It's a pot in brass, where it is connected to the Natya Yoga, the dance form where the dancer dance on the plate and keeping the pot on her head. It's connected to the Natya Yoga. So it is a very tremendous art form, and I'm very happy to be a part of this session. And to be very frank, like I've started my journey as a teacher. I think it is around 17 years now. I've started my dance school and giving performances in and around Bangalore. And many students are there, and we are just continuing the legacy of our teacher. And I'm very happy to say these few words. And online classes, yeah, online classes due to this situation, yeah, it's good because children have to get something, like they are at home, they are bored, like only watching TV. And I think no children are coming out to play also during this time. So at least during class hours for 45 minutes, 1 hour, they are online and doing the dance, where they are transformed, like they are into dance and they are learning something, where their body is kept fit also, and they're learning some new things, like practical and theory both will be handled during the class, because it has to be very interesting to the children. Only dance means they get bored, so I want to make them learn very happily. Like, dance is so much to learn, not only about the steps and the body movements. It is a divine art, just come from the divine, and the theoretical aspects, how it has been come and how it has been taken, and the experiences with the guru, that has to be shared to the younger children, because they should know what is the Guru Parampara, how it has come, and how we were learning with our gurus, and how it was carried, and how it has to be carried to the next generation. These are the things, like a story I would like to tell to the children. And even I ask them to discuss about dance. I will give them small task to find out what is this. You have to explore and come and tell me, because if I say, they will listen and they will just forget. If they explore and come, and we will have a good discussion about that, and it will be nice sharing the ideas. So dance is also about a discussion, and it's like that. That's how my dance class goes. And it is good if they come online and learn also. It is the same thing, the same aura is spread, like offline how I do, the same thing will be done in the online class also. Make them very interesting. When they dance, they feel very light and they are happy. So that's my view.
Such beautiful views shared by you, Karpagam ji. The meaning of your name in our language is golden, and everything that you said today is beautiful golden knowledge on this day of Guru Purnima. Your 30 years
Yes.
of experience with your Guru in the Guru Shishya Parampara and 17 years of teaching experience, you're distilled so beautifully for everyone who's watching and listening to us today. Such nice thoughts you shared about Kuchipudi, about the spiritual aspects of Radha, Krishna, Satyabhama, and Madhavi, the different characters, all of humanity coming together as one in a Vasudeva Kutumbakam of Kuchipudi. Such a beautiful spiritual thought. And at the same time, it is so wonderful to hear how you're making it so fun and interesting for your children to become a part of the discussion and dialogue. I think that is something which you've given a guru mantra to all learners as well as teachers of Kuchipudi out there, that make it a part of the discussion of the narrative so they feel as much connected with the dance. Thank you so much, Karpakamji. In the short while you've given us these beautiful thoughts today, and we are looking forward to our association with you with the Art of Living Academy of Performing Arts today on Guru Purnima with Shri Shri's blessings. It is so wonderful to have the short interaction with you. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Sunil ji. Jai Gurudev.